How to use Uniswap with Trust Wallet. Now you can use Trust Wallet to connect to Uniswap to explore swap pairs that aren't available within the Trust Wallet app directly. So you can use Uniswap to swap. So for this, you can go to the discover option from the bottom right, and in the search bar you simply want to search for Uniswap. And once you've searched for Uniswap, you'll find a list of options available. So you simply want to search for Uniswap. Now currently in my case I don't have it, but if you want, then you can simply go over here, search them in Google, and try to connect the wallet in that way. Once done, you can choose to select the connect wallet option, choose the Trust Wallet, select connect, follow the transaction prompt to connect the wallet right from here. And this way you will be able to use Uniswap with Trust Wallet. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.